Okay, after we learn something about tuple list, now it is time to learn about sets. Okay, what is set? Sets is also is a collection. Okay, it is not ordered, means it doesn't have any index, it's not indexed, and in Python sets are written with curly brackets. For example, I am going to create fruits. It is equal to, you use a curly bracket for this, and then name of the some fruits, okay, like apple. What is the other one? Is like banana, and we have cherry. Okay, so now this is a set, and it is not ordered, means it doesn't have index. Okay, it is not 0, this is not 1, this is not 2. Okay, so you cannot print this element using the index because it is not ordered. So now let's use print and then use fruits and save it, open new terminal, and let's run this and see what is going to be happen. Okay, cd python basic, and let's use python and sets.py, hit enter. Now you see that it is printing all element with curly brackets and also those question marks. Okay, so how can I print element which is inside this? Okay, each element. Again, I need to use a for loop, okay, to navigate through these fruits, these sets, and then print all element. And let's go see that. Okay, for example, again, x in fruits, print the x. Okay, so this will come and start navigating through. Okay, so it will come and traveling through this. Okay, first it will print apple, the next line banana, in the next line cherry. See, we have cherry, we have apple, and we have banana. So it is how it is working. Okay, and it is not ordered. Because of that, it is not printing first this one, second this one, third this one, because it's not ordered. So it is printing cherry, apple, banana, and the other one. Okay, see, this time it is apple, cherry, banana, and this time it is banana, apple, cherry. Because of that, it is not ordered. So it is how you can create a set and you can use it. Okay, also we have other options for this. Okay, for example, we can add element, we can remove element, and we can update, we can print the length of the set, and a lot of things that we can do, a lot of operation that we can do with set. But later we will see them with more examples through the course while we are using it into the real operation.